Everyone, welcome to this session on money and credit, that is MCQ session of class 10. Today we will be discussing some important MCQ of the chapter money and credit of class 10. So the questions are: number one question, who issues the currency notes in India? The different options are: currency notes are issued by the Finance Commission. Second one, all the nationalized bank can issue the currency notes. Only Reserve Bank of India can issue currency notes. Last option is, any individual or organization can issue currency notes with the permission of the government. So the right answer is, only Reserve Bank of India can issue currency notes. The Reserve Bank of India has the monopoly power to issue currency notes on behalf of the government. So the right answer is C. Next question is, what do the bank do with the deposit which one they accept from the customers? So the options are number one, banks use this deposit for charitable activities. Next, banks use a major portion of the deposit to extend loan. Third, banks use deposit to give bonus to their employees. Banks use deposit to set up more branches in the country. You know, the most important function of the commercial bank is to accept deposit from the public and to provide loan. So they are accepting the deposit from the public. The general public can deposit their money with the bank, in the bank, and that money they are using in providing loan. So the right answer is, bank use a major portion of deposit to extend loan. So B is the right answer. Question number 3, an agreement in which the lender supplies the borrower with money, goods or services in return for the promise of future payment, refer to dash. Here options are debt, deposit, credit and collateral. So in this case, the lender is supplying the borrower, that may be money, goods and service, in return for the promise of future payment, and it is called as credit. The right answer is credit. Question number 4, which body or authority supervises the functioning of formal sources of loan? The options are Finance Ministry, Head Office of each bank, Reserve Bank, last one is Cooperative Society. In our country, there are two sources of credit or loan. One is formal and another is informal. The formal sources of credit includes banks and cooperative, which are controlled by Reserve Bank of India. So the right option is RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 5, moneylender usually demand a security from the borrower. What is the formal word used for the security, such as land, vehicle, livestock, building, etc.? The options are deposit, collateral, credit and guarantee. So the security which is demanded by the creditor to the borrower is called as collateral. So right answer is B, collateral. Question number 6, which among the following option will be the cheapest source of credit in rural area? The different options are bank, cooperative society, money lender, finance company. The cheapest source of credit in rural area, especially for the farmer and the women, that is your cooperative society. B, option is B. Question number 7. In which country is Grameen Bank meeting the credit need of over 6 million people? So that is your Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Nepal. The right answer is Bangladesh. President of Bangladesh started the concept for which he received the Nobel Prize. Next is your question number 8. Which of the following is not an informal sources of credit? Options are money lender, relatives and friends, commercial banks and trader. Already I told there are two sources of credit. One is formal, another is informal. Formal includes both banks and cooperative. Informal includes friends, relative, money lenders, traders, landowners. So the right answer here is commercial bank. It is a formal source of credit. Question number 9. Why is currency accepted as a medium of exchange? Options are because the currency is authorized by the government of the country. Second option, because it is liked by the people who use it. Third option, because the use of currency has its origin in ancient time. Fourth option, because the currency is authorized by the World Bank. So currency is used as a medium of exchange because the currency is authorized by the government of the country. So this is your question number 9. 9, right option is A. Next one, question number 10. What is double coincidence of want? Options are both parties have to agree to sell and buy each other commodities. Next is exchanging commodity for commodities. Next option, credit on commodities. Next is loan on commodity till sold further. So the right answer of double coincidence of want means at a time in a single transaction the want of two persons is fulfilled. So that is your both parties have to agree to sell and buy each other's commodity. Question number 11. Since money act as an intermediate in exchange process, it is called as dash. Options are medium of trade, medium of exchange, medium of business, medium of transaction. You know, money is nothing, it is the medium of exchange. With the help of money, goods and services are bought and sold in the market. So the right option is medium of exchange. Next question, question number 12. A dash is a paper instructing the bank to pay a specific amount from the person's account to the person in whose name it has been issued. The options are deposit slip, withdrawal slip, ATM facility and check. So the right answer is here check. Check is what is check? It is an instruction by the depositor to the bank to give a specific amount of money to whom it is written in the check. Question number 13. Interest rate, collateral and documentation required and the mode of repayment together comprise what is called the dash. It is called as, the different options are debt draft, terms of credit, guarantee and warranty. It is called as terms of credit. Terms of credit includes interest rate, collateral and documentation required while sanctioning a loan. Question number 14. Which organization arranges formal sector loan? The options are banks, cooperatives, money lender. Option D, both A and B. Here, money lender, it is informal sources of credit. So, money lender is the wrong answer here. So, what is the right answer? That will be both banks and cooperative. Banks and cooperatives are your both are sources of formal sector of loan or credit. Question number 15. What is the aim of the loans sanctioned to SHG self-help group, which is also called as microcredit or microfinance? Options are to establish industries, to establish fisheries, to create self-employment opportunity. Last is for the development of agriculture. The aim of the loan given sanctioned to self-help group, the aim of the loan sanction is to create self-employment opportunity, especially in rural areas, especially among the women. So this loan empower the rural women financially. It helps them to be employed, self-employed. So this is what the meaning of self-help group. Question number 16. Next question है आपका, in which of the following system exchange of goods is done without use of money? ये कौन सा सिस्टम है जहाँ मनी का यूज नहीं हो रहा है? इसमें ऑप्शन है क्रेडिट सिस्टम, बार्टर सिस्टम, बैंकिंग सिस्टम, कोलेट्रल सिस्टम. इसका जो राइट आंसर है दैट इज योर बार्टर सिस्टम, वेयर देयर इज नो सर्कुलेशन ऑफ मनी. गुड्स आर एक्सचेंज अगेंस्ट गुड्स. नेक्स्ट इज योर बैंक्स प्रोवाइड ए हायर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अकाउंट? ऑप्शन है आपके पास सेविंग अकाउंट, करेंट अकाउंट, फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म, लॉन्ग टर्म, फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट फॉर वेरी शॉर्ट पीरियड. कमर्शियल बैंक में अलग अलग अकाउंट रहता है. एक सेविंग बैंक है, एक रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट है, एक फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट है, एक करेंट अकाउंट डिपॉजिट है. तो कौन सा डिपॉजिट और कौन सा अकाउंट में सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट बैंक प्रोवाइड करता है? वो है आपका फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट फॉर लॉन्ग पीरियड. लॉन्ग पीरियड के लिए जो फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट होते हैं उसमें बैंक इज गिविंग हाईएस्ट रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. द मनी कैन नॉट बी विड्रॉन फ्रॉम ए स्पेसिफिक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, बिफोर ए स्पेसिफिक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, बिफोर द मैच्योरिटी ऑफ द डिपॉजिट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 आपका 18 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हिच अमंग द फॉलोइंग बैंक इश्यूज करेंसी नोट on behalf of the Central Bank of India? Central Government of India. Right option, the different options are RBI, State Bank of India, Bank of India, Central Bank of India. कौन सा बैंक जो करेंसी छापता है, प्रिंट करता है, इशू करता है ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट? हमारा देश में गवर्नमेंट एक ही बैंक को परमिशन दिया है नोट छापने के लिए. दैट इज कॉल्ड मोनोपोली ऑफ नोट इशू एंड दैट इज योर रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया इज ऑथराइज्ड बाय गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया टू प्रिंट ऑल नोट्स. जितने भी नोट्स आप देख रहे हो एक्सेप्ट 1 रुपी नोट, हर नोट में लिखा गया है रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, बिकॉज इट इज इशूड बाय रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. इसमें सारे नोट में आपका जो गवर्नर, आरबीआई का गवर्नर है, उनका सिग्नेचर है. That's why these notes are also called as promissory note. उसमें आरबीआई का गवर्नर प्रॉमिस करके साइन कर रहे हैं, आई प्रॉमिस टू पे द बियरर द सम ऑफ, अगर 100 रुपीज़ है 100, उसके बाद सिग्नेचर ऑफ द गवर्नर. दीज आर ऑल कॉल्ड एज प्रॉमिसरी नोट. ये फैसिलिटीज ओनली आरबीआई का पास में है. सो द राइट आंसर इज आरबीआई. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. व्हिच अथॉरिटी और बॉडी सुपरवाइज द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ फॉर्मल सोर्सेस ऑफ लोन. इसमें फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री, हेड ऑफिस ऑफ ईच बैंक, रिजर्व बैंक, कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज. सो द राइट आंसर इज कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी. सॉरी, द राइट आंसर इज रिजर्व बैंक. तो रिजर्व बैंक क्या है? इट इज द एपेक्स बैंक इन द बैंकिंग सिस्टम. पूरा एंटायर बैंकिंग सिस्टम में जो टॉप बैंक है, जो एपेक्स बैंक है, वो है आरबीआई. आरबीआई is controlling the entire banking system. Not only the banking system, it also controls the entire monetary system. मनी सप्लाई को कंट्रोल करता है, बैंकिंग सिस्टम को कंट्रोल करता है, वो है रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द सेशन. इन व्हिच ईयर आरबीआई वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड? द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड in the year 1935. So the different options are 1930, 35, 40 and 45. So here the right answer is your 1935. So these are all about the discussion of important MCQ question from the chapter Money and Credit. So thank you so much.